In this short video, we will explain that how your health exercise reduce size and you can gain confidence. The things that you can do for your health, exercise, reduce size and just plain feel great are much simpler than you might think. Getting out on the road and going for a brisk walk doesn't take a great amount of your time. You will gain some health benefits and an increase in your confidence as you lose weight and reduce your dress size. So what can you do for your health? Exercise, reduce size, and eat a well-balanced diet are the beginnings to living a long and healthy life. Not only will you look and feel better, but the benefit to your confidence is one that will carry you through even the most difficult times of your routine. Watching the numbers on the scale move down and your clothes starting to fit better and looser, you will begin to enjoy your new lifestyle and love what it is doing for your health. One of the most critical decisions that you will ever make is the decision to improve your health. Exercise, reduce size and focusing on the health benefits of your new lifestyle will give you the longer and happier life that you always wanted. You will begin to see an improvement in your energy almost immediately from your decision to include exercise and a well-balanced diet in your life. Many of the diseases that plague a number of people such as heart disease, diabetes, obesity and many others can be successfully controlled with a few lifestyle changes that will have you feeling better in an amazingly short period of time. Just start off small with a simple walk and watch how quickly your body responds positively to that little bit of exercise. When it is time to improve your health, exercise, reduce size and eliminate chronic illnesses, you should consider the type of exercise that you most enjoy doing. This is the way that many people have found to keep exercise a consistent practice in their daily life. For instance, if you love dancing, use it to your advantage and dance for exercise. Making these changes in your life is a sure way to help you look and feel younger for a much longer period of time than any cosmetic surgery can provide. Exercise can improve your health, skin, muscle tone and appearance. Take some time to explore all of the benefits of including exercise in your life every day for more benefits than you ever thought possible. For your health, reduce size and gain your confidence along with your well-balanced lifestyle. You will be amazed at what a few lifestyle changes can do for your life. When your clothes start to feel better and you gain your confidence once again, the improvement to your life will be limitless. Confidence is key in many areas of your life and just living a healthy life with diet and exercise has the power to give all of that to you. Find an exercise that you enjoy and participate every day. Well, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and leave your comments. And if you want more informative videos like this, please make sure to subscribe nSolutions. Have a good day.